This 2024 Winnebago Solis 36B is a Class B RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 17 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 2, smoke detector, air conditioning, stove top burner, LP detector, refrigerator, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features mid-kitchen, rear bath. This 2024 Winnebago Solis 36B is built on a Ram chassis and is powered by a Ram ProMaster 280 HP engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.